What's up, guys? My name's Ian Klein Marine Consulting. Joined Starke Yacht Care's class here with Ken and all the guys. I highly suggest it if you want to take your detailing to the next level. As you can see on this boat here, the 25-footer, did a full sanding, full compound, full ceramic on the boat. Came out beautiful. These guys are the real deal. The products are the real deal. If you want to dial it in, take it to the next level, get in the next class, come see these guys, dial it in.
Hi, my name is Blake Maris. I'm with Westfield Boat Works up in Westfield, New York, and I gotta say, what I learned at the Starke class was really worth every penny and invaluable. Starke is definitely revolutionizing the industry. I learned a lot of the techniques that'll keep your boats well maintained for many years to come. So really appreciate you guys and everything that you did, and yeah, really enjoyed the course.
I'm Jen from 850 Mobile Marine. We're based out of Pensacola. I chose to come to the Starke Yacht Care classes so that I can learn more about sanding and the finishing process of detailing boats. I've done really great at cleaning, but this was an eye-opening experience as far as the sanding, buffing, polishing, just all the finishing aspects that get you those great details. Like, you can see this shine. If you guys would have seen this when we started, you would never believe how bad it was, to say the least. So I definitely improved that, and I look forward to sharing that with all of our clients.
Hi, I'm Philip. I'm with Portside LLC. I provide marine detailing and repairs in Cape Coral, Fort Myers areas down in Florida. Finally got to do the Starke Certification Course, which I've been waiting to do for a while now. And the key takeaways I got from it is you really never stop learning. There's always like little things you can work on yourself and your capabilities and your skills really. And then it really was easy to work with Cole and Ken. They really tell you a lot about the products, which the products are pretty self-explanatory once you start working with them. It's just the whole mindset in this company just makes it easy, and you can always come to them with questions. They will always help you out. They will never reject you or make you feel like that you don't know what you're doing, and they always tell you how to use the product, how to get the best results, and it really takes your work to the next level too. So that's my key takeaway from this course.
Hey everybody, my name is Jesse Gonzalez. This was my very first Starke training class to become a Starke Certified Installer. I can tell you my honest feedback about this class is that it came equipped with two amazing trainers, Ken Mercer and Cole Holbrook. The guys were spectacular, made us feel very comfortable asking questions, walked us through every single process, every step of the way, from sanding this beautiful Sea Fox 2019 25 foot all the way into going into level R, finish R, triple P, and I mean, it was a great product at the end of it, and it's ready to maintain and be upkept with and look beautiful for a long time. Yeah, I can tell you that I learned how to work on a boat from start to finish, not ever having detailed before. Got my hands on sanders, got my hands on DAs and rotaries, and I felt comfortable every step of the way, and even when I didn't a little bit, Cole was right there to work with me hands-on. So I can absolutely recommend this course for anybody else. If you have no experience, or if you have years and years of experience like some of these guys and gals did back here, you can come here, learn something new, sharpen up your skills, and become a better and more professional detailer like you've always wanted to be. Just come check us out and check to see if there's a class in your area.
Hey guys, it's Cole Holbrook, the lead trainer of Starke Yacht Care. Just wanted to do a quick rundown on how well our training went on this course. We worked on this 2019 Sea Fox, came in some pretty rough condition. We ended up taking the boat down farther than we take any other boats down, all the way to 400 grit, a series of elimination to get that far. But for new beginning trainers, that's a very tough achievement. And as you can see, these guys did a wonderful job. Coachability on these guys, I mean, when you come in, we're trying to break a lot of bad habits. So we did a great job working through some old shoddy techniques, introduced some new ones that allow you to get a little bit better result quicker, saving you some time, money, and in turn getting these boats done fast and effectively. So overall, I think this course was probably one of our best ones. We love having you guys. If you want to learn how to get a boat looking this nice, come to one of these Starke courses, learn by me, myself, Ken Mercer, John Watkins, and we'll get you guys on the right path.